Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover how to add conversion rate in the pages report. So you might have noticed that this is missing from the data table. You need to have editor role for whatever property you're using. We'll go to the admin section here in the bottom left corner. And depending on your GA4 account, you can edit the access for the entire account or just for the property. So let's go to the property access management. And as you can see, you have all the users here. And if you click on the three dots to the right, you can view each user's account details. This is where you can change the role of each user. And you can also add users with the editor role if you want. So what you need to do is click on the writing utensil in the top right corner to customize report. Click on metrics, add a metric, and search for conversion rate. We'll use session conversion rate, and we'll move this after conversions. Click on apply, save it. You can save changes to the current report. Take a look at your data table, and here's the conversion rate. A good idea is to add conversion rates to acquisition reports as well. For example, the traffic acquisition report. In this report, you already have conversions by channel, so you can see the default channel groups that also produce the highest conversion rates. If you want a tutorial that covers events, conversions, and all the reports in GA4, check the link on the screen or in the description. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you want more content on digital analytics, including tracking, reporting, analysis, we'll see you in the next episode.